It's started about 10 years back, 2012, when we were doing some managed services for Cornerstone. In about 2020, we reached out to extend the managed services contract we had with them. We really focused on the problems and the challenges that Cornerstone was trying to solve. And I think that was a mentality that we took throughout the relationship.
When I started with Cornerstone in 2020, I first learned of that relationship, and we had to renew the contract for that. And I gave some pretty interesting terms to the team from Insight, and that's when I realized that they were a bit different than other vendors that I've worked with in the past. And they really came to and looked at the different options and presented a whole set of different options that gave me confidence that they were somebody that I could work with, and we could potentially turn this into a bigger relationship.
But over time, I think what was very clear to Cornerstone and to all of the stakeholders was our intent was very clear. Our focus was only one, and that was obsession with the success of Cornerstone and our sponsors there. So I think that single focus has led us to build a relationship from that managed services, which was there 10 years back, into cloud, into the data center, into the network, into security, and more to come in the future.
We were looking for a partner that would help us figure out what we needed to do, figure out where we had gaps in our thought process, and then also come back to us and say, hey, have you thought about it this way? And we found that in Insight. We found that in the team that we're working with, and now we act as if we're one team.
In Cornerstone Building Brands, technology is important, right? We focus on performance improvement, we focus on delivery, but also from a logistic perspective, we need technology to run our business. The partnership with Insight is very important for us. It's not only closing gaps that we have, but they're also helping us build new services. They're looking at our biggest problems. They're looking at how we can be more effective. We can improve performance, right? So this partnership is not only helping us on our day-to-day, right, but also building our future strategy, or helping us build our roadmaps. This is really important in the sense that we're not just aligning our resources to a partner, to a vendor, right? Like you're buying a circuit or you're buying a product, but they're being part of our team, like one team, to deliver value for the business. Basically, our customers are getting a more efficient service, they have a more tailored service, and we're also pushing creativity to them, because before it was like, this is our catalog, this is what you get from us, right? Now we're pushing them and telling them, hey, what ideas do you have? What do you want to do, right? And obviously, even with our partners, right, they are coming back and saying, this is what our customers need. This is what we can build for you. When we come to the table and say, we have a problem, they are the first to come in and say, we have a solution for you. And that's very important for us.